Okay, in this video you're doing the radius, the diameter, the area, and the circumference. So I'm just going to do 2 of them with you, and then the rest of them I want you to do by yourself. So in the first example, they give us the diameter. They give us all the way across the circle, which is 8 feet, which means that the radius is 4 feet, because halfway across would be 4. And then from there, we can use those 2 numbers. We have the radius of 4 and the diameter of 8. And that means the circumference is 8 pi, and the area is 4 times 4 times pi, which would be 16 pi. And then the area would be square feet, and the circumference would just be regular feet. And I don't think I have room to write it there, so you'll have to write it in. I put circumference first, and they ask for area first, so make sure when you write it down right. But it's not that bad. So don't forget, area is radius times pi. So that would be 4 times pi, which will be 16 pi, which is what I said. And then I also want you to put it in your calculator and write the decimal version as well, which should be roughly times 3. So the circumference should be right around 24, 25, and the area should be about 48 to 50. So you can give an estimate. Even if you don't know exactly what it is, you should have an idea of what it is before you put it in your calculator. So that way, if it does something crazy, you'll know that it's wrong. Okay, we're going to do 2 now. And this time they give us the radius. So the radius is 7, which means the diameter is 14. And so I always start with the circumference, because once I know the diameter, circumference is really easy. It's 14 pi centimeters. And then the area would be 49 pi, because 7 times pi square centimeters. So 49 pi square centimeters. And don't forget to put them in your calculator and give me the decimal version as well. So we've already solved for both number 1 and number 2. Circumference, area, radius, and diameter. So go ahead and finish that page out, and then hand it in with your packet. If you have any questions, raise your hand and ask for help.